Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to log into your Mastodon app. Find the Mastodon app in your app drawer and tap it open. When you come across this page, tap on Login, which will be on the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap on mastodon.social or mastodon.online depending on the server you chose while creating your account. Since my account was registered for mastodon.social, I'm going to tap it here. Then you have to enter your email address and password. The email that you enter here should be the same one that you used while creating your account. And same goes for the password. You have to use the same password. Once you are done, tap Login. If this is your first time logging into your Mastodon app from this device, you will come across this message. It is simply asking for you to authorize your device's access to Mastodon app. Tap on Authorize. If you want to change this letter, you can always customize it from your settings app. You will now land on the home page, which means you've successfully logged into your account. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.